Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 9. Draw an angle of 40 degree. Copy its supplementary angle. Let us take first a ruler. Right here we will draw a line. You draw a line here. Now with the help of protractor make an angle of 40 degree. Right. With the help of protractor let us take a point here. Let us take a point here. This point is suppose this point is B point B, right? Now with the help of protractor, let us take a protractor first. Let us take a protractor, and with the help of protractor make an angle of 40 degree. Here you see, you place the protractor properly and make an angle of 40 degree. Here you see, the 40 degree will be here, that is it is 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40, right? This is angle 40 degree, right? Now draw this line. With the help of a scale we will draw the line. We will draw this line. Right. Now I draw a straight line here to make angle of 40 degree. Now draw a line here. This is exactly 40 degree. Right. Now what you have to do, write the name of this, that is it is B. Let us give arrow here, arrow. This is C point, this is A point, A, B, C, and if we give the arrow here, this is D point, right? This is A point, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. Now angle ABC is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree, it is 40 degree, right? And here you see DBC is a straight angle. Therefore, this angle will be 140 degree. This angle will be 140 degree. This is 140 degree. 140 degree. Right? The question was, do an angle of 40 degree. We have make an angle of 40 degree, that is angle ABC, and angle ABD is equal to 140 degree. Copy its supplementary angles. The supplementary angle of ABC is angle of ABD, right? There is supplementary angles, right? The supplementary angle of angle ABC is angle ABD. That means you have to copy this supplementary angle, that is 140 degree, right? For this, what you have to take, first of all, take a line here. First of all, take a line here. Let us take a line here. Right? Let us take a line. Right? We have taken a line here first, and with the help of protractor, take a protractor here. We have taken a protractor, right? Now with the help of protractor, we will draw an arc, right? Putting the pointer here, put this pointer at point B, right? Now increase the length of the arc. This is the length of the arc, right? Now here put this pointer at point B and make an arc at point B. We have put the pointer at point B, right? And make an arc here. Right? In the same way, put the pointer at this point, right? In the same way, you put the pointer here and make an arc. Right? Again, put the pointer at this point, and increase the length of this arc to meet at this point. Measure this length of this arc, that is this one, this point, and it will give the value here. Now take this point here, take this point here, right? And here increase this point and make an arc here. Make an arc here, right? Now don't disturb the length of this arc. Take this point here, at this point, exactly at this point, and draw an arc here. Right? Take this point here and draw an arc here. Right? You have to put this point here and draw an arc here. You have to do it properly so that you will get the exact value of 140 degree. Right? Now put this pointer here and you increase this pointer and now draw an arc, right? You get this point. The same way here, if take this one at this point, right? And draw an arc here. Put this pointer here. It moves, right? And draw an arc here, right? Now remove this one and draw the angle, right? And draw the angle here. Draw the angle here. You get exactly the same value as 140 degree here. Now draw the line, right? Now give the name here, right? Now give the name. The name of this is, here put an arrow, right? Here give another arrow. Give another arrow here, right? Give another arrow here and give the name E. This is F and this is G. If you measure this angle, it will get exactly 140 degree. 140 degree. That means we have made the supplementary angle of angle ABC, right? Now we remove this ruler. We remove this ruler and this compass. Now you see, this is the exact copy of angle ABC. Now you write that angle ABC, the supplementary angle, here you will write that the supplementary angle, the supplementary angle angle of angle ABC, the supplementary of angle ABC is angle ABD, which is equal to 140 degree. 140 degree. Therefore, we have to make an angle of 140 degree. Here we have made an angle EFG, that is 140 degree. EFG G is equal to 140 degree, right? Now here the question was, draw an angle of 40 degree and make its supplementary angle. Copy its supplementary angle. Here we have made an angle of 40 degree with the help of compass, and its supplementary angle is 140 degree, because 140 plus 40 is 180 degree, right? Therefore the supplementary angle of angle ABC is angle ABD, which is equal to 140 degree. That means you have to make an angle of 140 degree, right? Here we make an angle of 140 degree with the help of protractor, with the help of compass and ruler, right? This is angle of 140 degree, that is a copy of the supplementary angle, that is 140 degree. Therefore angle EFG is equal to 140 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.